dito place. So, mag-rent kami ng tricycle going to Gabayan Rivera for 600 pesos guys. Going there in the resort. Welcome to Gabayan Rivera. Guys, look at that. Ah, it's very hot, so hot. Wow, look at that. Wow, the big swimming pool here. Another swimming pool, guys. Wow, big swimming pool, and for the kids. Junior. Wow. Wow, another swimming pool. Yes. Come here na kay. Later na kay. Later na kay. I'm hungry. So guys, this is our room now. Gabayan River. So welcome. I will show you inside, guys. So they have the big bed. So they have here the big TV. So have a fridge. Little kitchen, oh. The fridge. Hala, ang fridge nila, oh, kay press the same sa atong ref. Look at. Then, ang fridge nila. We have cabinet, umbrella. Wow, na umbrella. We put our things in here. And then, dili, bayad ka after. This is the shower and the toilet, guys. So nice. Magamit ng payong mga sa restaurant. It's so hot. I'm hungry now. It's time is nearly 1 o'clock. We are right here. So that's it. Bring the umbrella if you go out. So hot. Nice. Look at that. We are hungry from the trip for today. Yan, and the ocean is there. And guys, so yung ano nila, swimming pool dito. Tatlong swimming pool. Oh, what happened, Junior? 4 feet. And then, dito sa taas, guys. 5 and 6 feet, I think. 5 o'clock in the afternoon. Time check here at Gabayan Rivera. Guys, thank you for watching. I hope you like my video for today. So Gabayan Rivera at Lassi Siquijor. Ayan, sa gustong magpunta ng Siquijor, guys, ilagay nyo sa bucket list nyo tong lugar na to. Ayan, ang ganda. Tapos ano lang din, hindi masyadong mahal yung per night nila dito, guys. 2 nights here is 5,000 plus lang, guys. Tapos malaki na yun. Thank you for watching. God bless, and see you on my next vlog or in my next journey. God bless. I love you all.